Well, I set up the system so I can better understand it. I come to their thing trying to find better directions, because those directions in the book, well, I'll be fair and say they're very challenging for me. Um, let's just go back. I tried to this is for cleaning teeth or something. And I'm supposed to get a free inlet hose, which I was in the process of doing. Well, at least they've got a lot of pictures on here. Okay, so I went and looked at this. Excuse me. I clicked on that, and that's where I spent most of my past hour and a half, just trying to put things together before I shove a hose up my ass. How am I supposed to clean it? Just with scalding hot water? So, just stay there. Just stay there. Stop being nosy. Looking at art. Ow. You know, your feet are little, but you weigh a lot. Could you lie down? We'll go over there and look. Ow. Man, her feet dig into my fat, and it hurts. Okay, so I clicked on that one already. Let's click on this one. Does it do anything? It just tells you how much it is. I already looked at this page. Okay, nice, clear, bigger picture, though. I got to find a bowl to put some hot water in. Warm water, excuse me. Yes, I already turned it on. I felt the air. Excuse me. They sure... Where is this company? But see, contact us only gives you an open email in the thing. Anyway, I gotta go click on everything all over again until I get it memorized. Oh. See, I didn't see this before because... I didn't see that before. Because I clicked over here and it just showed this. Create an account. Register with Google. Create an account. Register with Google. So I just emailed them. We'll see how long it takes for them to reply to an email. F5. It should have come up on the phone, and nothing came up on the phone. Okay, let's go back. Oh my gosh. And create. Okay, be right back. Okay. Okay, now that I have this, oh, see, at least they have really good, clear pictures. I appreciate that. Oh, is that an anal dish? No. I don't know. Replacement accessories. Okay. Now, where was I before? So I can get my free thing. My free tube. I'm gonna be smiling like that pretty soon too. I just gotta take my time, because in my life I usually go too fast and fuck up shit. That's why. See, now why couldn't they make a video like this? Oh my God, let me back up. Wait, hold the phone, hold the phone. I clicked to take a screenshot and the whole screen clicked off and on. Let me do that again, that was fun. Oh, it didn't do it that time. Weird. Pseudo for coffee enemas, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I read all that. What did I want to look at again? Prepare the enema. This is what I've been looking for in the book. This is why I was complaining. For those of you who probably sit back and say, she's so fussy, she complains all the time. This is why. I never saw this in the book. Wait, see, they missed something. They said insert the nozzle and start the enema process. Okay. Expel waste after session. How long should the session be? Okay, I know. I got to go and read the book again. Because I'm not, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay. I mean, okay, I got to go read the book and write that part down. Where am I? Oh, I'm already at 7 minutes. Damn it. Anyway, where's my, how did I get here? Just go back. Oh, there it is. Okay, Tosh. It goes there. I don't know what container that is. I don't have a container with the thing at the bottom. And no, they did not put that in the kit. So I don't know why they show people that. Let's see. Okay, I got that. This one goes to the first one. The second one goes in the bowl of water to suck up the water. I'm going to buy the diagram. I don't think so, because this is a bad diagram. There's a weight right there to hold the thing down in the water. So I don't know. I have to log in. I am logged in. It said hi. Yeah, see, it says Tasha Harris. Installation diagram. I'm going to buy the diagram. Mouse over the image to enlarge. I don't need to enlarge anything, do I? I don't think so, other than this cup that they do not give you. Excuse me. Okay, whatever. Okay. Well, I feel a teeny bit better. That's what they're going to give me for free? Product knowledge. Just stay there long enough for me to open a new okay, move. See, the other time the freebie thing did not show up like this. So let me go back through what I did before and get whatever I can get for free so I can keep me cleaned out. No need to lift. Let's see, there's okay, all right, I saw this part already. Okay, go back down. Okay, guys, go have a good day. Next part coming up. So in case you decide to use this, Your time with it will be easier and faster than mine. Okay? I don't know. Free collection. I don't get it. I'm gonna sit here and figure it out though.